Pangit daw ako sa TikTok. Hoy! Para sabihin ko sa inyo, ha? Pangit din ako sa personal.
Yung hiniling mong mapunta ka sa tamang tao, pero napunta ka sa taong may tama.
No calls, I understand. No text, I understand. No time for me, I understand. But when you see me with someone else, I hope you understand.
Kahit pangit ngayon ay nagalolo ko, di lahat ng magaganda ay sasaktan ka.
If we ever broke up, I'll never be sad. Think about everything I thought we had if we ever broke up. If we ever broke up, I'd call your dad and tell him all the shittiest of things you said if we ever broke up.
Konnichiwa, sayonara, kochi kochi kachi, sayonara.